Are you ready to discover what an automated future could mean for humanity? Join us as we explore the potential implications of AI technology and ChatGPT in this video. Are you ready for a future where humans are no longer in the driver's seat? Artificial intelligence is quickly reaching new heights and ChatGPT is leading the charge. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that helps businesses and individuals save time and money, but it also begs the question, will robots eventually take over humans? As we move towards an increasingly automated world, it's important to consider this important question. In this video, we'll be exploring the potential implications of ChatGPT and AI technology and what it could mean for humanity. Join us as we unravel the future of our ever-evolving world. Are you ready to see the implications of AI and ChatGPT? Subscribe to AI today and stay tuned to see how AI will shape the future of humanity. Don't miss out on this fascinating journey. Click the subscribe button now. ChatGPT is a powerful combination of artificial intelligence and human conversation. It quickly processes your questions, understands them accurately, and generates natural-sounding responses that sound like they came from a real person. That's why ChatGPT is so versatile. It can be used for any customer service or conversational situation you need. But how far can AI technology go in competing with humans? Can we keep pushing the boundaries of our understanding without forgetting what makes us unique as people? ChatGPT is amazing when it comes to saving time, understanding and answering questions quickly, and even writing articles for you. Something that would usually take a human hours or days to even do. ChatGPT has changed customer service by making it faster and easier, but with the technology becoming even more advanced, will we be able to keep up with our creativity? Can machines ever completely replace humans without sacrificing quality or taking away job opportunities? ChatGPT is an amazing tool that helps you get things done faster and more efficiently. Whether you need help with customer service inquiries, writing articles, or generating system reports, it can do all of it in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Not only does ChatGPT help you be more productive, it also helps businesses save money by meeting deadlines quickly without sacrificing any quality. But there are potential risks with relying too much on AI technology. As machines become smarter and gain access to data from different industries, could they eventually replace humans and still be more efficient? Leave a comment below with your thoughts on how AI-generated conversations compare to real-life conversations. ChatGPT is not only cost-effective, but also highly customizable, being configured to fit the needs of any business or individual, giving you more control over how your tasks are completed and allowing for greater flexibility in workflow. ChatGPT has revolutionized both customer service and productivity by offering a complete way to work fast without sacrificing quality. But with all of this powerful technology, it still feels like something essential is missing from AI. Can machines really understand human emotion, and can they customize responses so every conversation feels real and personal? This one question worth exploring as we move forward into an increasingly automated world. ChatGPT is incredibly versatile and can be customized to fit your specific needs. It can generate content tailored to you and is compatible with different systems and platforms across various industries, meaning you can say goodbye to tedious manual tasks. But we should also think about how accessible this technology is for everyone. Could there be barriers preventing people from using AI-powered tools like ChatGPT? Could these technologies help us break down stigmas around certain topics or levels of learning? Are people who don't have as many resources able to access advanced virtual assistants without facing extra challenges? These are all important questions to consider as we continue to use tech in our lives. ChatGPT is the perfect way to make conversations more fun and entertaining. It's super easy to use without requiring any technical skill. Just connect your account, type or say your questions into the system, and get ready for a thrilling conversation experience with natural responses generated by AI technology. Even if you're not very tech savvy or don't know much about computers, you can access amazing virtual assistants quickly and easily. But how does this kind of conversation compare to talking to people in real life? Can AI ever be close to something that wouldn't feel like it was something was missing when talking online through a chatbot? Leave a comment below with your thoughts on how AI-generated conversations compare to real-life conversations. ChatGPT is a tool that makes conversations more fun and playful, being able to understand jokes, stories, and even memes, something that can be hard or take a long time for humans to do. It also never gets tired of funny puns. But what happens when an AI technology becomes smarter than humans, and could we be headed for a time when robots can be creative in ways we can't even imagine? How might artificial intelligence change artworks like plays and books over the next couple of years? Will these automated works be impossible to tell apart from those made by people? These are important questions to think about as we move further into a digital world. ChatGPT is an amazing tool for virtual assistants. It uses artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and machine learning to give you answers quickly and accurately. It can even help you with customer service inquiries or writing articles faster than any human ever could. But what happens when machines become smarter than humans? Will we still be able to compete if our skills don't match up to these powerful bots? And as AI continues to change how businesses work, will humans eventually become redundant? These are important questions that need to be answered as research into robotic process automation continues to develop and more jobs become automated around the world. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for virtual assistants, providing quick and accurate answers to customer service inquiries. But with technology advancing so quickly and more jobs becoming automated, what does it mean for us humans? Are we at risk of becoming obsolete if our skills don't match up to those of AI bots? How can we make sure we stay competitive while still keeping our humanity? These are important questions to consider as we move further into an increasingly automated age. ChatGPT is an AI-powered virtual assistant that quickly processes your questions or generates natural-sounding responses. It can be used in any customer service or conversational situation, saving time and money. But with AI technology becoming more advanced, lives, could it eventually replace humans and still be more efficient? Could machines ever understand human emotion and create personalized responses? How accessible is this technology for everyone? And as AI technology continues to develop, will humans eventually become obsolete? These are all important questions to consider as we move further into an increasingly automated world. Have you ever wondered what it would like to have a powerful AI tool to help you with your business and everyday tasks? Midjourney is an AI platform that allows you to do just that. In the next video, we'll be exploring what Midjourney is, how it works, and how you can get in on the action. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Watch our next video now and find out how you can take advantage of the power of Midjourney. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you join AI today by subscribing now.